Customer states, my engine is misfiring. The other shop already replaced my injectors, but now it is doing the same thing. Help.
Mechanic says,
come over here. I'll show you what I found wrong with this truck. Got the J Pro scan tool fired up and ready to go. Here's the fault code we're dealing with. Injector number 5, open and close coil, open circuit. And to verify that my problem is active right now, I'm gonna be running an injector buzz test. First step, shh, be very, very quiet. We're gonna use our ears to listen. And what we're listening for is 6 strong injector buzzes. Let me show you what it sounds like. Did you hear how number 5 just clicked? That tells us we either have a problem with the wiring or the injector itself. Let's go under the valve cover and I'll show you what I found. Number 2 injector they just replaced, and number 5 injector they just replaced also. And you see the problem? Yes sir, it's not secured all the way. Either the person who replaced it didn't fully seat the connector, or they probably bumped it with the valve cover. It happens. Got it resecured? Now let's retest.
If not already doing so, make sure you like and follow me for more tips.